If you want to try to fix issues with mobile data on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, then first of all we can go to settings, go to connections, and of course we want to make sure that the airplane mode is not enabled. Sometimes we turn it on by accident and we are not even aware of that, so make sure that it is off. The next thing is that we can go to SIM manager and make sure that your SIM card is actually enabled, because we can turn on or turn off the SIM card over here. And if you have the option to choose between the two SIM cards, then of course in preferred SIM we have the option to choose which SIM card we want to use, so make sure that you are using the right one, and that is essentially not set to off. And if that doesn't help, the next thing that we can do is simply go back to the settings, scroll down to general management, then over here go to reset, and we have reset mobile network settings. Over here at the top we can also choose which SIM card we want to reset. If you have just one SIM card, then you don't have this option, but you will obviously just reset the single SIM card that you have, and then you can press reset settings in order to do that. Enter the screen lock password and confirm your choice. And there we go, we have network settings reset. So we're gonna go back now to the SIM manager settings once again. And once again, make sure that the SIM card is enabled and that the mobile data is properly selected over here. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!